Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make TikTok album cover trend videos. The album cover videos is a new challenge on TikTok where users recreate an album cover photo. Some TikTok users even use the special costumes and makeups to repeat the album cover image as closely as they can. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Record a video. Press on the effects and choose the gallery picture with a green background icon. Tap to upload the album picture and hold the red button. Now click on the check mark and post your video. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make TikTok album cover trend videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.